Good day, beautiful traders out there. You are highly welcome to my channel once again today. Today, I am going to share with you guys a powerful tips on how to trade boom and crash successfully and profitably. All right, so that is it. Before we go into that, if today is your first time of coming across my channel, or if today is your first time of watching my video, let me officially introduce myself. My name is Olites from Global FX, and if today is your first time of coming across my channel, as I said earlier on, please do me a favor and smash that like button and smash that subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload powerful content like this, you will be among the first that YouTube will be notified that I've uploaded another powerful content that will enhance your trading. All right, so with that being said, guys, let's move into the video. Let me share with you what I have for you guys today. All right, so first thing first, the zoom level that we are going to use, as you can see, I zoomed out completely. So just zoom 1, 2. All right, that is the zoom level that we are going to use. Sorry, it should be 3. All right, it should be 3. This is 1. Sorry about that. 1, 2, 3. All right, so we are going to use zoom level 2. All right, sorry about that. We are going to use zoom level 2, or you can use 3. All right, you can use 3. Let's use zoom level 3. All right, so this particular tips, this particular strategy that I'm going to share with you guys today is very simple and is very rare. All right, why I said it's very rare is this: many people will only tell you that when it gets to this place you buy, when it gets to this place you sell. But I am going to analyze what will actually make you to be trading profitably when you are trading boom and crash. All right, because when you're trading boom and crash blindly, you do not know what you are doing. You are just following the instruction of when you get to oversold. Excuse me. When you get to oversold, you buy. When you get to overbought, you sell. All those things. All right. When you listen to all those excuse me. When you listen to all those teachings, and at the end of the day they are not working out for you because you do not know this secret that I want to share with you guys today. The person that is uploading that video or teaching you how to buy when it gets to so place and sell when it gets to so place will not elaborate on how or the things that you need to know. All right, the person do not emphasize on what you really need to know before buying and selling at that junction. All right, so but I am going to go into details to that right now. All right, so and two, this video is not going to be long, so pay very close attention and grab all the necessary information, because I am not going to repeat this again. I have many videos on my channel educating you on how to trade boom and crash, and I can still receive more messages asking me to do a video on how to trade boom and crash profitably. Yes, this is what I'm doing right now, so pay very close attention and make sure you watch the video to the end. All right, so before you start trading boom and crash, the first thing that you need to know is you must do your analysis from higher time frame. All right, hold on guys. All right guys, so sorry, I have to drink some water. All right, so as I was saying, before you can embark on trading successfully or trading boom and crash successfully and profitably, you must know how to draw your support and resistance. First thing first, you must do your analysis starting at least from 1 hour time frame. All right, when you do your analysis starting from 1 hour time frame, you'll be able to know that if this market is buying on 1 hour or if it is selling on 1 hour. If the market is buying on 1 hour, that 1 hour time frame that you start your analysis is your overall time frame. All right, is your own overall time frame because you started the analysis on 1 hour time frame. So if that 1 hour time frame is buying, it means whether you are trading boom or crash, listen to me very well now. If that 1 hour time frame is buying, all right, and you check your 15 minutes time frame is buying, and the 30 minutes frame is selling, 15 minutes time frame is buying, 5 minutes time frame is selling, 1 minute time frame is buying. Listen to me. What you need to do is whatever position that you are going to open, it must correlate with what you saw on the 1 hour time frame. That is to say, if you are excuse me, if your 1 hour time frame is buying, any position that you must open must be towards buy. What I mean by that, if let me take for instance, you are 1 minute is selling and your 5 minutes is buying. So what you need to do is you allow that 1 minute that is selling will be like a pullback. All right, it will be like a pullback, and once that 1 minute time frame got exhausted, what you need to do, you open your position towards what you saw on the higher time frame, which is your 1 hour time frame where you started your analysis. Then you take at least 1, 2, 3, 4, you exit the market, because at the end of that 5th candle, probably anything can happen, because it's the change of candle. Anything can happen. All right, so you do not know, but if you do your analysis very well, you draw your support and resistance, you know about price action, you will be able to get all these detail that I'm telling you right now. So with that information, with that detail, if you know how to read price action, if you know how to where your support and your demand lies, if you know where to draw your supply and demand, you know all these things. If you know all these things, guys, what you need to do is this indicator will be like assistant to you. All these indicators will be assistant to you. All right, they will be assistant, they will be assisting you to confirm, to reconfirm your position before opening it. All right, so now for that, what we are going to do here is this. If you look at I'm going to share with the settings with you. If you look at these two lines, there are 2 moving averages. I'm going to share or review the settings to you guys. Look at whenever this black crosses the red one at this junction, if you are trading boom, all right, if you are trading boom and you spot that this black line crosses each other at this particular zone here, all right, at this particular zone, this red line that you are seeing here, now whenever it crosses each other, is only that candlestick that crosses the candle, that is the last candlestick that we trade on that particular zone. The next one will be spike. All right, if you are trading boom. So the same thing, the same requirements are needed for crash. All right, but I am not teaching you how to catch spikes here. What I'm trying to teach you is how to grow your account, trade profitably. What I want every one of you to be doing is this. I just illustrated what I said right now here, because of the professionals that might be watching this and want to use it to catch spike. It's very, very easy, because you have already done your analysis and you have already know what price is going to tell or what the market is going to do the next minute or the next hour. You have to work towards it. All these indicators will help you to achieve catching of spikes. But if you are a newbie, and you want to grow that your $50 account, what you need to be doing is this. Look at it very well here. Look at this here. Whenever you see this crossover, all right, whenever you see this crossover, you see this thing here. Whenever you see this crossover, what you are going to do is you take 3 candles, 3, all right. With 3 candles, you can never go wrong. You take 3 candles, you get out of the market and wait for another crossover. You take 3 candles, you get out of the market. By the time you do it 5 good times in a day, you'll be able to make at least small profit for the day. You rest for the day. Do not overtrade, because if you overtrade, you will be greedy, and from there you will get your account blown. All right, you will think that you are seeing crossover, not knowing that what you are seeing is not crossover. So make sure you follow my instructions properly. So whenever you see this crossover here, you see something like this, take 1, 2, 3, you are out of the market. What I'm saying is this. Let me take, for instance, as you can see from here, sorry about that, as you can see from this time frame here, all right, this is 10:55. So if I happens to, okay, this is 10:56 right now. If I happens to open a trade for my 3 candles, when I will get out of the market should be when this time is 10:59. I am done with my 3-minute candlesticks. I'm out of the market. Whatever profit that you make, take it. Is a profit, is an added advantage to your capital. All right, so do it at least 4 to 5 times in a day. You rest. Do not overtrade, guys. Do not abuse this strategy. So that is it. The same thing applies on crash. All right, the same thing applies on crash. So whenever you are trading crash, the same requirement, the same thing here is required for crash, for you to trade crash as well. If you follow my instruction properly, guys, you will make a lot of money. I know what I'm telling you. That is how I trade my boom and crash whenever I feel like trading boom and crash. But I do not regularly trade boom and crash again, because I'm already addicted to trading volatility. All right, so I am doing this video because of the people that have been requesting, my subscribers and my students that have been requesting for new video on how to trade boom and crash. So that is what I'm doing right now. So I want every one of you to make sure you follow this instruction that I gave to you before you start trading. Make sure you do your analysis from higher time frame and know what the market is going to play in the next 2 to 5 minutes, 10 minutes, as many time frame as you want. Just do your analysis and break it down. And also, when you are done doing your analysis, you will be able to notice that all these indicators will be assisting you to get the perfect signal entry. All right, so that is it, guys. So with that being said, and two, if you look at all this, all right, if you look at this, all these represent fake out. All this blue line that you are seeing, all right, they represent fake out. This is MFI anyway. So all these things that you are seeing represent fake out. Whenever you see that blue line, you must see a spike. You see that, you must see a spike whenever you see that. Whereas the brown line that you are seeing, this brown one that you are seeing here, the brown one is just fade, like the market is not that stable. All right, the market is that stable. Probably the market was buying and is in fact is dropping value. That is what the brown line is telling us. And the pink line, all right, the pink line confirms this pink line that you are seeing, this particular pink line that you are seeing here. All right, that particular pink line confirms the trend, the strength of the trend. All right, it confirms the strength of the trend. So especially when it is released after the green bar, like this thing here, this green bar that we are seeing here. All right, sorry about that. Let me locate that. All right, especially when it is released like this. All right, look at what I'm showing you here. Look at what I'm showing you here. You see the green line and you see the pink line beside it. Whenever you see something like this, it means the trend is very strong, and you can see that right there. So that is it, guys. That is it. So let me share the settings with you guys so that you'll be able to set your screen this way and start making money right away. This is the best way you can make money trading. All right, This is the best way you can make money trading, and follow my instruction properly. If you want to be catching spikes, I believe you understand what I explained. Whenever these two lines cross each other at the level of this red here, all right, that is, whenever you see that crossover, it means that is the last candle before spikes takes place. So get that straight into your mind. All right, so let me share the settings with you. You click on this F icon here. When you click on the F icon, the first indicator that you are going to add should be our envelope. All right, you click on the envelope here, then look at the settings. The period is 1, shift 2. All right, shift is 2, deviation is 1.500, method linear weight, apply to close, styles upper band 2 pixel I use blue, lower band 2 pixel I used red. You click done. All right, you click done. So the second one, you click on the F icon again. The second one that you are going to add is our MFI, all right, market facilitation index. You click on it. Once you click on it, you let it, you leave it at tick. 4 pixel I used. You can use any pixel of your choice, but use 4 pixels so that you'll be able to see it well. You see MFI up, volume up, green. MFI down, volume down. You see brown. MFI up, volume down, you see blue. Then MFI down, volume up, you see pink. All right, so you click done. You click done. So you go back to the F icon again. You add our moving average now. All right, the period is 21, shift is 0, method exponential, apply to close, star is 4 pixel. I used red, you can use color of your choice. You go back to the F icon again, you add the last moving average, period is 5, shift is 0, method exponential, apply to close, star is 4 pixel. I use black. You click done. So that is what you are seeing here, guys. That is what you are seeing here. All right, your screen should be able to look like this. So what I want you guys to do is follow my instructions properly. If you really want to be making money trading boom and crash, follow what I taught you right now. Follow all the whole instructions that I gave to you guys here now, and you'll be able to make enough money. You click on the F icon again, you add the last moving average on our main chart. This time around, you are not adding it to the indicator window 1, but you are adding it to our main chart. You click on this button here, so you add moving average to the main chart. The period is 21, shift is 0, method exponential, apply to close, star is 4 pixel. I used orange color. You can use color of your choice and click done. So that is what you are seeing here, guys. That is what you are seeing here. So with this moving average on the main chart here, it will also help you, because me looking at this moving average, it serves as best support and resistance. Look at what is going on here. From this place, all the whole market is retesting on the moving average 21. All right, you can see that it's retesting on the moving average 21. Excuse me. You can see what I was saying. Whenever it gets to the moving average 21, it spikes and they start coming down again. Whenever it gets to that place, it spikes. So it serves as best, or one of the best way you can identify your support and resistance in any pair. All right, so use it properly and use this strategy wisely, guys. Do not abuse this strategy. Use it wisely, and make sure you follow my instruction. If you don't understand anything, make sure you contact me via the contact information that will be in the description of this video for help if you need any assistance. All right, so that is it, guys. That is it. So as I said earlier on, if you like this video, give this video thumbs up so that you'll be able to help YouTube share this video to the ones that also need this video as you do. All right, so that is it, guys. Signing out. Polites. Peace.